Hi, this is a tutorial on transcribing in ELAN, transcribing and translating. So the first thing we're going to do here is we've got our video, and first thing we need to do is extract a WAV file from it, because that makes the segmenting easier. So in this program called Audacity, we're going to open up our MP4 here. And then we're going to just, this is pretty simple. You're just going to go save other, export as WAV. That'll just save a WAV file. You don't need to mess with anything here. Just click save, OK. And then there will, somewhere I think we saved it to our desktop. Maybe we can go ahead and close this. We don't need this anymore. All right, there's our WAV file. Now you can't hear it because I recorded the audio for this voiceover externally for this video, but there is audio there and it is playing. You'll have to trust me on that. All right, so we've got a WAV file and we've got our video file. Those are the two things we need, along with our template file to start a video here. So here I've opened up ELAN. I'm going to go New. I'm going to add our media files. So first, I'm going to click and drag. Oh, I guess you can't click and drag. All right. So we're going to open our video file right here. It's not going to let us select two at once. That's okay. And there's our WAV file. All right, now we need to also add our template file, which is right there, add template. And I saved it, so where did I save it? Ah, here it is, okay. All right, here's our template file. All right, so here's ELAN. Let's just open this up a little bit here. All right, so this is our waveform here, and I'm playing the video. The video is playing. You can hear the audio. And these black squiggly lines represent the waveform. And here's our different tiers down here. We have transcription, a literal Spanish translation, a free Spanish translation in English. So first thing to do is we have to segment the audio track in order to put transcriptions and translations into those segments. Now it's pretty easy. You just play the video, and as from start to beginning, and as you go along, you just hit the Enter key to start a segment, and then you hit it again to stop it. So I'll demonstrate here. All right, so it's playing. It started right around here, I think. So I hit Enter, I leave a line. So you can see it leaves a little line there. And then you can stop it and start it. So the next sentence started here. I'll add another line. It ends right there. So on and so forth. So I can kind of just go through and just leave segments as I go along here, listening to it. Let's see. Oh yeah, another thing. Sometimes it may move too fast. So what you can do is you can go over here to Controls, and you can reduce the speed at which the audio file plays. So you can see it's going a lot slower now, and this might make it easier to segment the file as you go along. So let's scooch over here where we haven't started yet. All right, so I can hit it there. The audio is playing much more slowly, and I can just much more easily hit this Enter key to leave segments as I go. See, pretty simple, not too hard here. I just need the Enter key. All right, so I'm going to jump back out, segment it all, then resume recording. This could take a little while. All right, so we've got all our segments made here. Now what we're going to do is copy these onto the other tiers. So we go to this option right here, copy the tiers onto the annotations onto the dependent tiers. So this is my source, the transcription. I'll click next, and I'm going to copy them onto the Spanish and English and the other Spanish tiers there. So I'll click that, and now you'll notice these yellow lines, and they are synced up or lined up exactly with the original segments I made. Oops. Yeah, all the way through. So that's pretty easy. So now we've got the same segments marked out in each of the translation tiers. All right, so now we're going to go into transcription mode, and here's where we do our translation and transcription. So first I got to create a little table to do the translation and transcription. And these, just go ahead and clear and select these default IT and depth. Don't worry about what these are. The template's all set up, so it doesn't really matter what those mean here. So you can see here I got a column, transcription, literal translation Spanish, and libre or free Spanish translation. I actually want to include the English one in here. And here I can select the order of the columns here. English, let's do that. Let's see, okay, transcription, English, literal Spanish. Actually, I think I want to change this to free Spanish just for this example. Free translation. Oh, I guess I'll have to choose that there. Okay, here we go. This will do. So transcription, English, and Español Libre, or the Traducción Libre, or the free translation. So again, I'm going to pop out and paste into here the transcription translations I got and jump back in a moment. But you can see I can kind of select each segment, and it'll play a video and audio of just that segment to make the process of translating and transcribing a lot easier than like you do in YouTube, just clicking little things, dragging around back and forth, right? So she says Mashti, and then something else. I'll have to go listen to it more carefully. Oh, and I can I can also adjust the speed at which the audio and video are played. All right, so back here now, so you can see I filled in all the cells with the transcription, the English translation, and a Spanish translation, all nicely lined up in these little columns here. Now, what we can do now is export these as subtitle files. So I'm going to go down here to export as subtitle text. Now, if I want to select if I want one file per column here. So for example, here I'm just going to go just the transcription, just the Quechua. I'm going to leave all these alone, just to accept. I'm going to save it to my desktop, I guess. So I'll call this Cuculi Quechua. There we go. It's an SRT file. I'm going to save. Sure, UTF-8, doesn't matter. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing for the other columns. Where to go? It's somewhere here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So now I'll do the free Spanish translation. Hit accept. Let's change this to Cuculi Español. I'll get that Enye. There we go. Okay. Today, sure, whatever. And I guess that's all we're going to do for now. Okay, so here we are on YouTube. So we've got our video. We've got over here our transcription files on our desktop. And we've got our video. So first we're going to drag our video into YouTube. We're going to upload it. This might take a little bit here. It's just for the title of these translations here. Oh, let me change this to private here. All right, well, I'm going to come back when this is finished processing here, and then take it from there. All right, so here's our video is done. All right, so let's go here. Let's go to our video. All right, here it is. Now we want to add our transcription file. So we're going to click on Edit Video. We're going to go to Transcriptions. We're going to choose a language. So let's start with the Quechua. So we'll just select Quechua. Yeah. Okay. Now over here we will add a subtitle file. All right, and then we're going to click on Upload a File, or Load a File. We have to choose a file. Okay, here it is. There's our Quechua SRT file. Choose, upload. And all right, so let's double check while we're here to make sure everything looks okay. It looks like it preserved our time codes. That's good. And we can play it too, just to make sure it all lines up the way we want it to. Yep, that looks like it's working there. All right, so now we're going to click Save. All right, cool. Now let's add the Spanish translation. So we're going to add another language here. Let's choose Spanish. Yeah, that's right. That's what we did, a Spanish SRT. All right. There, we're going to do the same thing. Upload a file. Choose a file. Spanish, upload, upload. Alrighty, there we go. So we've got our Spanish in here. I think no, it's okay. I can fix that later. Yeah, okay. All right, and I'm going to click Save. All right, so we got a transcription and a translation. So let's go check it out as if we were just, people on YouTube watching this. And you see, we can, subtitles, we can change them. Spanish. I guess, there we go. Yeah, there it is. I think in the Spanish transcription I didn't add the part with the cuculi at the very beginning, but here's the Quechua. So yeah, that is how you do this. Switch back and forth. Yeah, so this is ideal for a new video that you don't have already a transcription and translation for. And if you did already have one for it, there's going to be a different tutorial of how to do that. That's a little bit stickier. All right, that is everything.